What is up, YouTube? Welcome to Triple R Reviews. I'm Rhonda, and today is going to be another rad review. Today we have Sweet or LOL Surprise Mini Sweets Surprise-O-Matic. Look at that. So cool. It's got Bazooka and Peeps, Reese's and Twizzlers, and it shows Milk Duds, Jolly Rancher, Pez, all kinds of cool candies on here. Hershey's, Sweet Tarts, Chupa Chups. I'm excited about this one. I think this one's going to be fun. It is a vending machine one, so I'm unfamiliar with that. So bear with me as I open mine for the first time, and you can see what it's like. I paid $16.88 for this at Walmart. I'll show you. And I got two of them. So we have two to open today. So I'm super excited about which kind of candies we're gonna get. I'm really excited about this. And then I'll do this the same way that I do all of my other videos. I'm gonna put the camera down for the LOL videos anyways. I'm gonna put the camera down, and then I will dress the doll at the end of the video. That way you can see the whole thing. You can see me opening everything. You can see how it looks from the inside, okay? So I'm gonna put you guys down right there. We're gonna move our other guy. I've already started pulling while I was talking. And then, and you know, Halloween's coming up. It's coming up really soon. Let me know what you guys are going to be for Halloween down below. What are you going to dress up as? Are you going to dress up at all? I've done a bunch of different costumes, but I think I'm going to do like a Renaissance type thing this year since I have an outfit that I recently bought. Last year I was a 50s girl because I have a bunch of 50s dresses. I love everything 50s. The hair and the clothes. This is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. There's something right here. Oh, cute. It's a sticker. This might be a clue as to what we're gonna get. I think it'd be hecka cool to get the Pez one. Aw, how cute. Okay, and the zipper on this one goes from here to here now. So let's do that. These things never work out how they're supposed to. Alright. Oh boy, we've got directions. It says stop. Look at the big stop sign. Stop. You don't know what you're doing. Okay. So, I don't know if I'm supposed to, I think I'm supposed to take this off. Yeah, okay. So it says, turn it. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, you guys. There's a thing on the back. Oh, look. I pulled this thing on the back. Oh, that's why it probably said stop. Because all the goodies, there's goodies in the back. Here's the doll. This surprise blind bag. There's also some things are falling out of the bottom already. I'm just gonna put them down there like that. Oh, there's an order to open them in too. Okay, so it's just little doors. Maybe if you, oh, okay, that's cute. Look, okay, I took this paper out from the back right here, and I think what you're meant to do is to push, and it's supposed to fall down. Yep, look at that. That's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna leave that one in there because they're actually numbered. I'll show you. They're actually numbered. So I'm gonna open them in order of the numbers. so that we get the full experience. Okay, I don't think we need these papers anymore. And then this is our regular instructions probably. Yeah, they spit. Okay. You know, to make them spit, all you have to do is fill their bottle up with water, squish it in their mouth, and then squish their head. I don't do it on my channel, but I mean, it's pretty simple to figure it out how to do it, so it's not really necessary, I feel like. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, there's a little picture of the little different dolls. And then there's this with the different dolls. So we can get Pez, Hershey's, Peeps, Sweethearts. I hope I get Sweethearts. That would be cute. Bazooka, Milk Duds, Swirly Pop, well, Chupa Chups, Jolly Ranchers, 3 different kinds, Reese's, and a Twizzlers. And let's see, the ultra rare one is bubblegum. Yeah, bubblegum. I think that's the only one. Yep. And then there's fancy sheet. Is there a rare one? Yeah, and rare would be the Peeps. So ultra rare is Bazooka and rare is the Peeps one. And I wonder if this is actually a hint that we've got the Pez one, which is just a popular one. Let's find out. Let's open her up. Yep. Let's check out the paint job before I show you guys. Really cute. Okay, she got a good paint job. Look at that. She's got Pez written all over her. How cute is she? Very cute. Okay. So we got our first doll. Let's see what she comes with, shall we? Now these things were already on the bottom. Oh, cute. She's got a little blue bow for her hair. And what else do we get? Ooh, some star sunglasses, pink lenses, and a little orange outline. Oh my gosh, you guys. She came with a mini Pez of herself. Look at that. That is super cute. Does it lift up? No. It's a solid piece, but that's still very cute. I like it. That's a little added touch, right? That makes it special. Oh, this might be some kind of stand or something, I'm assuming, because it looks like her little feet could fit in there. And it's got a little notch at the bottom. Oh, maybe you stick it in the top right here. And she could be on the top of it. That'd be cute, right? Let's see. Okay, maybe not. Maybe she needs her shoes on. But she would be like, boop. So that'd be cute, right? Okay, let's take out our number 1 prize. Oh, weird. It's like wrapped in like this red plasticky thing. Interesting. Okay. This is her outfit. You're not fabulous until they put your head on a Pez dispenser. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. Very cute. Okay. Let's push number 2 out. That is so cool. I like that. That's really cool. Okay, this is what this one looks like. Let's open her up. Oh, she's got a little Pez purse. Cute. All right. Let's push number 3. Come on. on, baby. Come out. It doesn't want to come out. Come on. Okay. Oh, she comes with 2 outfits. This is a Pez dress. Very cute. Okay, that was 3. That one came out nicely. I think we can guess what this is, right? This has actually got tape around it. Oh, her little Pez cup. Very nice. Okay. Number 5. Come on. Come on. Okay. Number 5 is going to have to come out through the back. Let's see. Okay, when they get stuck in here, not fun. There it goes. Very tiny, whatever it is. This is one of her shoes. Oh boy. So I think I can guess what number 6 is. Now, if they're going to do something like this, they need to not make it too difficult for the kids to push the button and have the things come out. Just a thought on my part that will be part of the review. So, let's get to getting her dressed, shall we? I'm going to stick that on there because I'm pretty sure it goes there. So I'll start with her shoes. She's got some little platforms. They're pretty groovy. And then we'll put her headband on. Very cute. And let's put her Pez dress on. This one's a wraparound with the holes. So you're going to have to stick their arms through the holes for this one. There's no cutouts. So I'll put both of her dress and then her shirt on so you can see both of them. And her sunglasses with her little purse. All right, there she is, all dressed up with her Pez dress, her shoes, her little platform shoes, her glasses and her bow. I'll take her glasses off and put her purse aside. Oops, well, I'll worry about that later. Put her purse aside and show you her cup. Her cup matches her dress. Very cute. And then, let me move this so that, I'm going to move this real quick so I can grab that prize I dropped. Where'd it go? Is it stuck? Oh no. Okay, well, there's a purse down there, so don't let me forget to count that. Alright, I'm going to take her dress off and put her shirt on so you can see her with both outfits. Her shirt's really easy to get on. I actually like the shirt better with the outfit because you can see the little leggings are all Pez, and then her shirt's like, yeah, you're nothing unless you got a Pez made after you. That's super cute. Okay, so with this first one, with the purse, the sticker, this, the sunglasses, this, her bow. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, excuse me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then it also came with the thing up top. Now that she has her shoes on, I'll show you what I was talking about. See how she could just stand on there? So they could put, like kids could put whatever they want in the little dispenser, and they got the little Pez girl up there. It's super cute. I like it. All right. That was cool, actually. I really like the theme on these. Let's open up number 2 and see what we get. Because that last one was fun. The only problem I really ran into was that sometimes the prize didn't want to come out of the dispenser. And with it being such a cool theme like that, it probably should work correctly. And this one wasn't cheap either. I mean, it wasn't super expensive, but that's what I'm saying. That's why I kind of do these videos, because I'm like, okay, you guys watched me open 6 dolls for 20 bucks, and then I get 1 doll in a dispenser for 17. So you kind of have to know what you're looking for as far as buying these things. I'm not going to look at the sticker this time. I'll put it right there. That way we get a surprise who we get, right? I kind of don't like how they put the sticker right there, because then I know what I'm getting before I open it. What's the point in putting it in a blind bag after you announced it with a sticker? That's just a waste. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull this stuff out. We know what all these things are. I'll go ahead and pull this out. Take this off. So you guys can see. All right, let's see who we're gonna get. I'm super excited. Oh, we got Caramel Dolly for Milk Duds. She's the Milk Duds doll. I like Milk Duds. Milk Duds are good. Yep, that's what our sticker says. All right, let's start opening up the prizes she comes with. Woo! All right, this is a tiny little one. Let's see what this one is. Oh, she's got armbands. Yep, she's got armbands, tiny little armbands. One of my favorite things. Oh, look at her bottle. Her bottle is really cute. I like it. The Milk Duds. That's super cute. See what this is. Oh, this is her big bow. Stick it in the little holes so that stays. Very cute. Okay. Oh, this is the little stand for her to stand on top. All right. This comes in a red, with a red thing. Maybe get a little box of Milk Duds or something. That would be cute, right? Oh, she has a little wallet that looks like a Milk Duds box. It's kind of textured too. I don't know if you could see the texture. Very cute. All right, let's start pushing out our numbers. Number 1. Ooh, came right out. Cool. Number 1 is her skirt. Let's just put that on her right now. Get her skirt and all that kind of stuff going. We'll do the armbands last. She's kind of chunky. Her belly was popping out. All right, number 2. There it goes. Like I can hear it moving in there. Some of these have tape on them, just so you know, like holding them closed. So keep an eye out for that. This is a little Milk Duds top. Or no, it's like almost like a bathing suit type outfit. It's got a little under the, so now I have to take her skirt off. See, this is why I don't like getting them dressed before I open everything. Rhonda, you should know better. Okay, number 3. Yay, came right out. Okay, what do we got here? We have a shirt, a little half top. That probably goes with her skirt. Very cute. So I'll put that with the skirt. And then, like I said, I think this is like a little bathing suit or something. So I'll show you both outfits. Number 4. Come on, we were doing so well. Or did I do number 4 already? Am I crazy? Yep, it's me. Sorry. All right, number 5. It's probably going to be her shoes. There's 1. And there's 2. All right, perfect. Let's take a peek at her shoes. Oh, very cute. Little open-toed high heels with a little Milk Dud on them. You'll see them better when I get her dressed. But they're so tiny. Alright, there's 1 shoe, 2 shoe. Yay! Okay, let's get her dressed. Let's do outfit number 1 with the skirt and the shirt. Okay. Get on there. Oh, she's adorable. Very cute. Okay. Her little polka dot socks. This looks too small even to be an armband, this one, but I can't think of anything else it would be. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on her as an armband. And then this one, that one went on really easy. Okay. Alright, you guys. Here's outfit number 1. She's got little armbands. She's got a little Milk Duds t-shirt. Cute little Milk Duds skirt. These are her little shoes. Very cute with the little Milk Duds on them. And then she's also, don't forget, got her humongous wallet. That, I mean, these don't make any sense to me. But her little Milk Duds wallet. This bottle, though, is one of the cutest I've seen. Her little Milk Duds bottle. Very cute. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and change her outfit so you could see the other outfit. Can I keep her shoes on? Yay, I did. I managed to keep her shoes on. Woohoo! Okay. Let's go ahead and turn that like that. Let's get this over this way. Oh, now I see why it wraps around like that. Because it's like a one-armed outfit. Look. Cute. All right. So what do you guys think? I think because of the candy branding, that I'll give them a bit of an excuse to be a little higher priced than they normally would be for one doll. I absolutely love the vending machines, even though they don't always work. I mean, it's a really cute idea, and I thought it worked fairly well for the concept. Things move around in shipping and such, so it makes sense that one would get caught here or there. Let's see what we got over here as far as prizes. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'll count both shoes as 11. So that's pretty consistent too. It seems that they did a pretty good job as far as the paint jobs go too on this set, which probably was required by the candy makers. I would make sure they did mine right. Other than that, yeah, I mean, I would give these, I'll give these a 3 out of 3 R's, just because the branding and all of that, the paint jobs were good. The clothes and all of that was consistent with the branding. It made sense. I'm going to show you guys this once more, and then leave me a comment down below and tell me which one you would want to get. I know I would have loved to have gotten the Sweethearts one. That would have been really cute. And then, or what's your favorite candies out of these? Which do you prefer? I love the Sweethearts one. That one's so cute. And the bazooka, that is a little, like, oh, with the little bubble gum, that's really cute too. So, I really like this. I would buy more of these, for sure. So, yeah, leave me a comment down below. Tell me which one you would want, what your favorite candy is. What are you going to dress up for Halloween? What's your favorite candy to get on Halloween? Let me know. And while you're down there, make sure you hit that notification button so you don't miss my next video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you need to. Please. I would really appreciate it if you do. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you next time. Bye!